Okay, so I'm gonna walk down here. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it is. I want to try to get my 82 Chevy running. I'd like to drive it this summer. Maybe take it to the cruise in. It ain't a panty dropper or nothing, but it's a beautiful thing. $300 of gloriness. Hey, Blackie. Wanna tell him hi? So I gotta go in here with the sheep, which are trying to kill me. So here she is. Right there in Murphy Chevrolet in Foley, Minnesota. She's a little rustier than I thought she was, but see how many mice are inside of it. Still got that old smell to her. So I'll open up the hood and see what she's like. What are you doing? Scoot over. Here she is. So I got the battery on the charger right now. I'm gonna bring it down here and see if she'll start. She hasn't run, I don't know, there's a video about it, probably two, maybe 3 years. She's got the 4.1 liter in her. Okay, well, we got the battery in. Timothy is cleaning the cables and Tessa's supervising, right?
Yeah, I'm the supervisor.
Is he doing okay?
Yeah, I think he's doing all right, you know.
That's good.
It's really dirty. I don't know if he's getting it clean enough at the moment, but...
Would you like to try?
Yeah, why don't you try it, Miss Supervisor?
Miss Supervisor gonna try? Okay, fine. Zoom in on my work.
Just wire brush it.
Yeah, I know.
Yep.
Yep. I'll give it a little spray. Pretty good.
That wasn't too hard.
Yeah.
Well, folks, she started right up. That was pretty good there. We dumped about 2.5 gallons of gas in the tank because the gas gauge doesn't work. We're gonna try to open the gate without the sheep getting out, and we're gonna drive this sucker out of here. It doesn't have much for brakes, and the tires are kind of flat, so it might be a little interesting.
Forward. Forward. Oh.
Well, she moved a little bit, but the brakes must be hung up a little bit or were stuck on the sand. Now the battery's dead. Timothy's getting in the car. Me and Tess are waiting patiently.
All right, what do I tell them?
Hey, we got one front tire stuck.
All right, we got one front tire stuck. Drove it forwards and back a bit and got back a little bit more. Got Tim on the back, helping with the weight. Try and push it along out of here. There we go. You don't got no brakes, so... Okay. There they go.
Well, we got the old beauty running, but this tire is locked up. That tire was locked up when me and Jeff and Danny went to rescue it from the previous owners. So it kind of went free a little bit down here, you can see. So this thing is right here.
Yep.
So hey folks, this sucker down here, it really throws on there real good. So we're gonna see if we can get loose. So I got the bolts out. Now I'm trying to get the caliper off. And she froze on there to the thing. And I'm hungry. How?
And they say a hammer is your favorite tool.
Yeah.
Do so much good.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa! You excited?
Yeah.
Look at those bad boys.
Yeah, I bet it would spin now.
Think so?
Oh, look at that. It spins now.
It's just all these muscles I have.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so I took the brake pads out, and now look at, ooh, dog, that's nice. Is that nice?
Oh, yeah.
Is
Real
that
nice.
nice?
Beautiful.
Is that beautiful?
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. Yeah, baby. Rolling like a big shot. Got the Chevy all tuned up. Rusty but trusty. Well, I guess we're having pancakes and sausages for supper. Sausages. You have to use about 12 different sizes because the stupid little chrome things are all strippy dippy.
Oh, yeah.
Don't make for a very happy Big Daddy. Or Tess. Tess gets cranky too, don't you?
Oh, yeah. I hate when they're stripped.
Yeah, you get your whole car problem with them.
Yeah. You might have to hit it a little harder than that.
Well, she moves a lot better with the wheel being loose now. We got a vacuum leak somewhere. And we got no brakes anywhere. Oh, check out the clock. You guys like to see the clock? Look at that baby. And we got radio too. We got church service. Oh, she's the jam. Well, we just took the old 82 Chevy for a little cruise around the farm. We did a little donuts in the cornfield. Don't tell Danny about that. Shh.
Okay.
Shh. So, brake lines don't look too bad, so I don't know if we have to fix them or not. We'll check that out. We definitely need new rotors, new pads all the way around. Need some vacuum line stuff fixed. So, but hope you guys have a good day. Talk to you on the next video. Bye.